Hello, welcome to Bright's Mathematical Solutions. We are looking at the 2022-2023 West Africa examination, Waec, and we are looking at solution to the theory question. Today we are looking at question number 8. It is a series for the solutions to other questions. Check my channel. They have been solved and they are right there. Now, the question says copy and complete the table of values for y equals 2x raised to power 2 minus x minus 4 for minus x less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3. Now let us get to it. We are to complete the table. So for us to, we are going to create a new table, and so let us say this is our x, and we have minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Now the question that we have to solve is y equals 2x raised to power 2 minus x minus 4. So let us, everything that we have here, we're going to input it here. 2x raised to power 2 minus x minus 4. So everything here will give us our y by the time we add it together. Remember, this is our x, and we've been given that this place is 17, and we'll be given that here we have minus 4. Now let us get to business. We are now, when our x is 3, that is x is 3, that is minus 3 raised to power 2, that's 9 multiplied by 2, so we have 18 here. When x is minus 2, that is minus 2 raised to power 2, that's 4 multiplied by 2, that's 8. When x is minus 1, that is 1 multiplied by 2, that's 2. When x is 0, 0 multiplied by 2 is 0. When x is 1, so this place will be 2. When x is 2, 4 multiplied by 2, that is 8. When x is 3, 3 raised to power 2, that's 9 multiplied by 2, that's 18. So for the second phase, that is minus x. So when our x is minus 3 minus x, that gives us 3, minus, when our x is minus 2 multiplied by minus, this gives us 2. When x is minus 1, this gives us 1, this gives us 0. So this is minus 1, minus 2, minus, so this is constant for the equation, so we'll repeat it all through. Minus 4, minus 4, minus 4, minus 4, minus 4, minus 4, and the minus. So everything that we have here, we are going, when we add it together, it must give us this value. When we add this together, it must give us this. So let us begin. 18 plus 3, that's 21. 21 minus 4, that's 17. That's very correct. 8 plus 2, that's 10. 10 minus 4, that will give us 6. 2 plus 1, that's 3. 3 minus 4, that's minus 1. 0 plus 0 and minus 4, we have minus 4. 2 minus 1, that's 1. 1 minus 4, that's minus 3. 8 minus 2, that's 6. 6 minus 4, that's 2. And 18 minus 3, that's 15. 15 minus, that's 11. So in a nutshell, we've been able to copy and complete the table given. So our value that is missing is 6 minus 1 minus 3, 2, and 11. The second question says, using a scale of 2 centimeters to 1 unit and on the x-axis and 2 centimeters to 2 units on the y-axis, draw the graph of y equals 2x squared minus x minus 4 for minus x less than or equal to x less than or equals to 3. So now let us plot the graph. Now, so we are here on the graph sheet. So this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. So the data that we were given is right here before us. This is minus 3, this is for x, and this is y. I have extracted it from the previous solution that we did in the first instance. So now when x is minus 3, y is 17. So we come here, this is the negative side for x. So minus 3 is in between minus 2 and minus 4. So we'll trace it. So 17 is in between. So we're going to put a dot where the two meet. Very small but significant. Minus 2 and 6. Minus 2 and 6. So this is where they meet. We're going to put a dot. Small but significant. Minus 1 and minus 1. So minus 1. Y is minus 1 here. X is minus 1. So the two of them meet here. Small but significant. When x is 0, y is minus 4. When x is 0, y is minus 4. So they meet on this plane. So when x is 1, y is minus 3. When x is 1, y is minus 3. So minus 3 is between 2 and minus 4. So they meet somewhere here. So when x is 2, y is 2. X is 2, y is also 2. So they meet here. So when x is 3, y is 11. When x is 3, y is 11. So 11 is in between 10. So the next thing we are to do, we are now going to connect them together. Now, for me to connect them together, please ensure that you get a perfect line. No, it is not too easy for me to. It must be a straight. Sorry. Joining those points together. Now, so this is how your graph will look like. So this is telling us that this is a positive quadratic equation. Once you have a curve like this, if it is a straight line, it means a linear equation, but this means it's a quadratic equation, and it's a positive quadratic equation. So, and if it is negative, it will be downwards, it will be concave. This is convex and it will be concave. So that is that about. Let us look at the other question. Now, they now say using the graph to find the root of the equation y equals 2x squared minus x minus 4. Now, to find the root of this equation is the point where this graph touches x. So for the root of this equation, so this is one solution, this is one root, and this is another root. So that will now become C1. So that is when I did it. So this is what I got, minus 1.1 or 1.6. If you look at it very well, this is a little bit after 1, and this is very close to 2. So that is where we got that from. So the second question, that is C2. Let's go back. It says values of x for which y increases as x increases. Now, the values of x for which y increases and x increases. Now if you look at this point, at this point y begin to increase. Our solution begin here, it was decreasing, but at this point it begins to increase. So what are the values of x from this point? That is from 0 here. So that means it ranges from 0.1, because just after 0 we have 0.1, to what is the last number that we have here? We have 3. So it is less than x less than or equal to 3. So let us look at the final question. The final question says minimum points of y. So what is the minimum? So the minimum point of y is this. So the minimum point of y equals -4. So that is the minimum point. If it is a concave, they will ask for the maximum, but the minimum point is this. So that is that about that. Thank you very much for staying tuned. If you have any comments, please, or any query or any question, please put it in the comment section. And if you have any other question that you want me to address, please put it in the comment section. I will definitely address it. Till I see you next time, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.